Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Oh God. Oh God. Oh gosh. Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I am back with another video for you guys on this cute pumpkin fall bob. I was just thinking pumpkins and bobs and fall. Yeah, that was the vibe. That's the vibe. It's a vibe, right? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to join us. And if you've been here for a while, welcome back. I'm so glad you decided to stay. I am doing a hair tutorial, I guess. I'm just showing you like how I basically revamped this wig, basically how I styled it. And yeah, because this was my first ever lace front human hair wig. I bought it about three years ago on Amazon. No, not on Amazon, on AliExpress, and I will link it down below if I can still find it. But yeah, I didn't want to throw it out, and I had cut it a while back and I messed up the cut, so I just kind of chunked it, and I was like, oh well, you know, I messed that up, you know, I'll get back to it later. So I decided to work with this wig to give me like a really natural looking bob, because I wanted something that had a lot of body and something that was going to last long. I hate it when I buy synthetic bob units and they start thickening up on the ends too quick, and I can't get the most out of the style that way. So lately, you know, I haven't been buying human hair wigs because I've been trying to stay on the more affordable side of things. So I've been buying the synthetic units and everything. So but I'm noticing that human hair units are becoming increasingly more affordable. So I will be purchasing some of those and showing them to you, as well as making some units myself, because I do know how to make wigs. Yes, I do. And also crochet units and crochet hair, because I love crochet, you guys. So yeah, anyway, this is the final look. I'll show you quickly what I mean by where I messed it up, because if you can see, like this side, and excuse my comb, y'all, I was doing the chase method with my flat irons and I melted my comb. So do you see that? I mean, like how ghetto is that? If you can see this side compared to this side, do you see how the slant begins way up here? It's like at an angle, and this side is more kind of straight. I layered it a little bit differently. I tried to fix it, you guys, but I didn't want to cut too much off. But I might end up just cutting this bang a little bit shorter. But I kind of liked this look. I kind of liked this look with this little side bang. Let's see if I can make it for you guys. I kind of like this look with the little side bang here, like that. I thought that was kind of cute. So, you know, if I cut the bang a little bit more, I could probably do more with this side. This is what it looks like just down. But I really just wanted that 90s throwback kind of swoop bang look, so there it is. So I went ahead and straightened the hair with these small flat irons, and these are by Ion, and they have like a little setting for straight and curly. I was thinking about putting some wand curls in this hair just to give it like that beach wavy look and see how that looks. But yeah, for tonight I just left it like this, and I was really just trying to go for that 90s that old school swoop bang look. I just kind of missed that. So yeah, if you want a video on this makeup look, just let me know. I didn't do any lashes tonight because I didn't have much time to film. And the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips is the Milani, and this is the Milani number 64 matte orchid. So this is the lip color that I'm wearing. It's really pretty plum looking color for fall. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was really short, but I have more videos coming out for you this weekend, so don't worry. I will see you guys in my next one. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, just leave those in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer those for you. And I will leave a link of this unit and the products that I use in the description box down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.